What's up, MF Savages? Today I'm going to show you how to fly like Superman. That's right, but in order to do that, we have to go through foundational movements first so you can master what it is to hit that Superman level. And guys, keep in mind, we want to work our way up properly. Don't rush through it either, okay? But we are going to have a lot of fun. You ready? Let's go. Warm up number one, guys. We got protraction, retraction. You're gonna interlock your fingers, keep them by your chest. From there, you're gonna push your hands out forward, spreading your scaps apart as far as you can, rounding your back. From there, you're gonna bring your arms back with your elbows nice and tight, squeeze your scap, hold it for about a second, and then you're gonna repeat that process again. Warm up number two, guys. We got the side lateral body stretch. You're gonna start off with one arm facing up and the other one facing down. From there, you're gonna reach across your body on opposite ends, tilting yourself to the left side first, drive your hip into it, keep reaching on both opposite ends, drive enough energy as you can, feel that stretch, and then back to the middle, switch your hands, and then move off to the other side. Warm up number three, guys, we got the arm openers. From here, you're gonna start off with your elbows locked out, hands touching together. Then from there, you're gonna open up your arms as far as you can, opening up that chest, and you're gonna go at a good pace. Keep repeating. All right, guys, exercise number one of the Superman push-up series. We're gonna start off with the push-up position hold. From here, we're gonna set up into a push-up position. Then from there, you're gonna just hold it by squeezing your glutes as hard as you can, ripping the floor apart with your hands, squeezing your feet into the ground, and just keep drawing enough energy. You're gonna feel your body shake. You're gonna feel full body tension, and that's exactly what I want. Exercise number two, guys, we got the traditional push-up. We're gonna set ourselves up in a regular push-up position hold. From there, you're gonna rip the floor apart with your hands, causing your elbows to come in closer to your body. Then you're gonna drive yourself down to the ground. Make sure that chest gets as close to the ground as possible. Make sure you're squeezing those glutes. Draw energy through your hands and feet, and drive yourself back up. And keep repeating. Exercise number three, guys, we got the power push-ups. Now we're gonna get explosive. From here, we're gonna start off by being in a push-up position hold. You're gonna rip the floor apart with your hands, drive yourself down to the ground, bring your chest down low. From there, you're gonna draw enough energy to pop yourself up, bring your hands off the ground, keeping your feet in place, and then catching yourself back into the bottom part of a push-up, and keep repeating that process. Exercise number four, guys, we got the airborne push-ups. Woo! All right, now we're getting ourselves off the ground completely. So we're gonna start off in a push-up hold position, ripping the floor apart with your hands, driving enough energy through your feet, and then coming down into the floor, driving that chest down as close as possible, and then drawing enough energy from your whole body to lift yourself off the ground, both hands and feet. And then when you land, you return right into a push-up again. And keep repeating. Exercise number five, guys, we got the Superman push-ups. That's right, we're finally here. So let's get into that push-up position hold. Rip the floor apart with your hands. Drive yourself down to the ground. Draw enough energy through your hands and feet to propel you off the ground, flying up in the air like Superman. Drive that right arm straight up. Bring that left arm straight back with your elbow, nice and tight. From there, you're gonna go land back into a push-up and keep repeating that process. Woo! Man, we took flight on that one, guys. So as you can see, I worked my way up doing the right warm-ups so I don't get hurt. We started off with that hold and we flew all the way up to that Superman. But guys, there's steps that you have to do it. You guys already saw it. If you got value out of this, please like, comment, share, but most importantly, subscribe. Because if not, I'm coming after you.